Hyphen to join words. In this lesson, you will learn how to use hyphen to join words. Listen to the following conversation between Timmy and the receptionist in the hospital. I'd like to fix an appointment for an X-ray and a blood test on behalf of my 80-year-old great-grandmother, Mrs. Lee. Can she come in on the 25th of June? Yes. How much will it be? It'll be about $160 all inclusive. In the above text, click on the words which have hyphens. Look at the words that you've just clicked on. Do you see the small horizontal line between them? It's called a hyphen. And all these words containing a hyphen are called hyphenated words. A hyphen can be used to link two separate words and make a compound word, which would then be read as one word. For example, the words great and grandmother are joined with a hyphen to form great-grandmother. Hyphens can be used in the following ways. In numerals, for example, 25th. As an adjective, for example, 80-year-old. In words prefixed by all, ex, self, cross, for example, all-inclusive, ex-teacher, self-employed, cross-cultural. In two-word numbers and two-word fractions, for example, 22, 1/4. Hyphens are also used to indicate a broken word at the end of a line. For example, Mary and Jane have been busy planning for their parents' anniversary. A hyphen does not need a space before or after. For example, he is showing tremendous self-control. John is the blue-eyed boy of the class. Let's recall what we have learned. A hyphen is a small horizontal line. Hyphens are used to link words together to form compound words, and they are then read as one word. It is also used in numerals as an adjective, in words prefixed by all, ex, that's ex, self, cross, in two-word numbers and two-word fractions. Hyphens are also used to indicate a broken word at the end of a line. A hyphen does not need space before or after.